Hello, this is Nikki, and this is a review and flip through of race cars, muscle cars, classic cars, Mosaic color by number by color Questopia. You see we have a nice glossy front cover, and as well as the back, and here we have the color palette. So inside we just have the names of the colors, and you can check on the back if you're not sure what a color should look like. And we start with the title page, and this book was published in 2020. Then we go straight into the illustrations. On the left hand side of the page is the color palette, and that is different for every picture. However, the colors all come from the same pool of colors that we saw on the back. So we can actually call these pages single-sided, since if you use alcohol markers, they are transparent and one can still read what is on the front cover. Now these pictures look really cool. They are stylized with misshapen buildings and I don't know what you want to call it, fancy grounds and all sorts of like arrows and symbols and stuff in the sky. So we're going to end up with quite a modern art type of look, depending on what the colors turn out to be. They could be quite fancy. And most of these cars are well, there's a variety of cars. There's old-fashioned cars and there's modern cars. And there's one car. Sometimes there's two cars in a picture. That looks like it might be a Bug. VW Bug without the VW on it. Sports car. And then at the end of the book we have some bonus pages from other of their books for us to try them out. The first one is a page from Beautiful Cities and Landmarks. Then a page from Dragon Fantasy. A page from Fanciful Fox. Page from New York. A page from Country Farm Scenes. And then at the back we have a page asking us to leave a review. And then there is one piece of scrap paper. Well, not scrap paper. There's one page of blank paper for you to use as a scratch paper. So once again, this is race cars, muscle cars, classic cars, color by number by color Questopia.